You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is super confusing. I love this word. If you want to learn, by the way, more English vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you. The British English pronunciation is as exactitude. All right, at the end you have a chewed sound. There's quite a few words like this. It's like attitude. You know, attitude in English. It's the same. Exactitude. Exactitude. Now the Americans say it as exactitude. Exactitude. So, you know, if you pronounce it with a T sound, a tood sound at the end, or tude, it's also fine. Exactitude would be fine, or exactitude. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.